Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Make sure the car ignition is on and the stereo shows power. This rules out blown fuses or dead battery as the culprit. Once done, remove any paired devices from your phone so you avoid auto conflicts, and open the stereo trim carefully with a pry to access connectors. Check the antenna and USB input visually. Loose connections cause dropouts. These first actions diagnose common failures and set you up to fix the real problem quickly. Now you move into hands-on diagnosis. Measure 12-volt supply and ground at the head unit harness to confirm stable power. Intermittent voltage explains resets. Next, unplug and reseat the Bluetooth module and inspect the antenna lead for kinks or corrosion. Poor antenna continuity equals weak pairing. Once done, try another phone and a known good USB cable to separate stereo faults from phone or cord problems. This isolates whether the issue is radio hardware or device software. With the faulty part identified, replace the antenna lead, Bluetooth module, or blown fuse as needed. Swapping the specific component fixes the signal path rather than guessing. Reconnect harnesses firmly, reassemble trim, and restore the stereo settings. Make sure you clear old pairings so the unit can accept a fresh connection. Finally, pair two different phones, play audio, and place a hands-free call to confirm stability. If pairing still fails, reset the head unit and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.